Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, red color, orange color, light green color, light blue color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First 1, number 1. Next kids 2, number 2. Next kids 3, number 3. Next kids 4, number 4. Next kids 5, number 5. Next kids 6, number 6. Next kids 7, number 7. Next 8, number 8. What is kids? This is number 8. Next 9, number 9. Next kids 10, 1, 0, 10, number 10. Next kids 11, 1, 1, 11, number 11. Next 12, 1, 2, 12, number 12. Next 13, 1, 3, 13, number 13. Next kids 14, 1, 4, 14, number 14. Next kids 15, 1, 5, 15, number 15. Next kids 16, 1, 6, 16, number 16. Next kids 17, 1, 7, 17, number 17. Next 18, 1, 8, 18, number 18. Next kids 19, 1, 9, 19, number 19. Next 22, 0, 20, number 20. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.